If you're over 40, eating plant-based, or you're new to plant-based, and the scale isn't moving, your energy's low, or maybe both, and your hunger feels out of control, it's probably not your willpower. You're probably making these 3 mistakes. Hey there, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I help women over 40 lose weight and feel better eating a plant-based vegan diet. I've coached hundreds of women and personally lost over 100 pounds myself. And these are the same 3 mistakes I see over and over again. Mistake number 1, eating too little protein and you don't even realize it. Now this one's huge and it's sneaky. A lot of women go plant-based and end up eating toast and oats and fruit smoothies, pasta, and those things are great and they're all plant-based, but they don't have a lot of protein. And when you're over 40, your body needs more protein to protect muscle, to support your metabolism, and to control your appetite. So protein and fiber combination is one of the things that helps quiet that food noise that you hear so many people talk about. So when your protein levels are too low, you're going to notice that you are constantly snacking, that you are constantly craving, and that you have that feeling of, I just ate. Why am I still hungry? The quick fix: start anchoring every meal with a real protein source like beans, lentils, tofu, tempeh, TVP, textured vegetable protein, seitan, soy curls, those type of things. Now, some of those are a little more processed than others. Obviously, beans are not as processed as soy curls, but you have to decide what is realistic for you to eat. And if you don't want to have beans every single meal, then soy curls are a nice alternative, as well as TVP. So if you haven't tried any of those items, I really suggest just exploring and having fun with them. Check out some of my recipes and see what you think, and find the plant-based protein that you like best and start to anchor your meals around them. Check out my video for seitan in an Instant Pot. Mistake number 2, not all meals keep you full. Your meals center around carbs instead of fullness. That's a mistake. Your plate might be rice, potatoes, bread, fruit, that type of a thing, with a little bit of veggies on the side. So think like vegetable stir fry without some added protein. That's not going to keep you satisfied and full very long, because those foods digest quickly. What really helps women over 40 stay satisfied and full on a plant-based diet is to add fiber plus protein plus volume. That means building your meals around beans, greens, cruciferous vegetables, high fiber foods, not just starches. That's why I talk so much about beans. They're fantastic. They slow your digestion. They support the same fullness signals as the popular GLP-1 drugs. They help control your appetite. Mistake number 3, you're ignoring your hormones and stress. This one surprises a lot of women. It even surprised me. After 40, it's not just about calories anymore. Perimenopause and menopause change how your body responds to stress, sleep, blood sugar. You can eat perfectly and still struggle with belly fat, fatigue, stubborn weight. If your sleep is poor, your stress is high, and you're constantly under fueling, your body is going to fight weight loss. This is why I teach gentle structure, balanced meals, and realistic routines, not extremes. Again, the 3 biggest mistakes women over 40 make are not enough protein, building meals around carbohydrates instead of around feeling full, volume, protein, fiber. That's what you want to focus on. And ignoring your hormones and stress levels and recovery. Comment below if any of those resonate with you. If you want help putting this into real life, I have links below to a free cookbook, to meal plans, health coaching, hormone support supplements. Everything is in the description box below if you need any of that. And be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more realistic plant-based weight loss tips. And intentionally eat.